Hello everyone and welcome to our math session here today. What we're going to be learning about is estimation. Now that's something new that we haven't done before. Now estimation is when you see a group of objects. So if I had a group of objects here like that, and instead of counting them right away, I need to make a guess about how many there might be there before I count them. So estimation means that you're making a guess. So if I'm looking at my toys here, I'm going to try to make a sensible estimation. I'm going to make a sensible guess. So that means that I'm going to make a guess that this could be how many. So if I was to say this was 100, that's not a very sensible guess because we know that this number here, this number of objects here cannot be 100. 100 is such a big number that I have lots of toys here. So a sensible estimation, a sensible guess would be something like, oh, I think that there might be 4 toys here. And then, now that I've made my guess, so I said there might be 4 toys here. I can count them. So I can count them by moving them or just touching. So I'm going to move them. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there are 3 toys here. So my estimation was close because 1 more than 3 is 4. So if I had 1 more, that would be 4. So that was my estimation. So that was a good estimation. So let's do another one. So if I had this many, we'll have this many like that. So I can see them, because if they're in a big pile like that, it might be a bit hard for me to see. So I'm going to put them like this. There we go. So I have my estimation. I think that there might be 6 there. There might be 6. Let's see if I'm right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I wasn't right, but that's okay because I was close. I almost guessed right. I said that there were 6, but there were only 5, so I was off by 1. All right, let's do one more using my toys. All right, so let's see. Here we go. So I've got some toys here. Let's see my guess, my sensible guess. I think that there might be 4 toys there. 4. So I think there might be 4 toys. So let's see, I'm going to count them now. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 toys there. And that was my guess, wasn't it? I guessed that there were 4 toys. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a jar and we're going to do some estimation with that jar in just a moment. All right, so I've gotten a jar and I've put some dice inside my jar. But what you could do at home is do some toys or marbles, or you could do some pom-poms and put them into a jar. And then you can make some estimations, make some guesses. So this one, I've put a couple in just to show you for an example. And what you can do is move it around, take a look before you make your estimation, before you make your guess. Now, I think that there might be 3, maybe 5. I'm going to say 5 dice in there. So what I'm going to do now is, now that I've made my guess, I can open it up and then I can pour them out and I can count them. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 4. So I said there were 5, but there was actually only 4. So that was a good estimation. Now, if I said there was 12, that's a big number. That wouldn't be a very sensible estimation because we know by looking, there was no more than 10 in there. All right, so let's do another one. So I'm going to put some more in. There we go. And I'm going to put my lid on. There we go. So I've put quite a few more in here. So what you can do again is take a look at them. Look at what's inside your jar and have an estimation, have a guess. So it's always nice to have maybe your parent or your carer or maybe even your brother or sister or a cousin put some toys in there for you to estimate, because it's nice having someone else do it for you. All right, so let's see. Ooh, I think there might be 7 in there. I think 7 dice. So now I'm going to open up my jar and very carefully pour them out. Put my jar to the side, and then I can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I was so close. There's 6 dice, and I said that there were 7 dice. Oh, well, that's all right. That was still a good estimation. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you have a chance to try this at home using your toys first, just like having them out in front of you and making an estimation, and then moving to trying it in a jar, or you can even do it in a box. It doesn't have to be a jar. You could do it in a box where you have a bunch of your soft toys in it, and you can make an estimation that way using the box. It doesn't have to be a jar, like I said. All right? And now what I want you to do is to move on to the PowerPoint. Thank you so much for joining today. Take care.